Alright, so this video is to demonstrate how the Wiki Doorbell installation is done. Here is how the bell looks like, the Wiki Doorbell. So here, this particular one is the one that will be used inside the room. And this one is the one that will be placed outside the door. So first of all, you need to have this smaller batteries, 3, which you use inside this particular one, which you use inside the room, and then have this type battery, just one, for this one that will be placed outside the door. So we have to take out the bell out of its case or stick to the door outside. You have to peel this yellow thing out, the paper yellow thing out, then stick it to the door. And with this switch needs to be inside the room, with this hole, you can just hang it. You see the hole here? You can just hang it in the room, or just get a place where you think you can place it. Here, I'm going to open this one. So with this one, sometimes it's difficult to open. You just have to get something and use it to push it, and then it will be open. So this is how the inside of this one also looks like. So now the battery is being kept in both bells. So let me show. With this one is used to increase the volume. You can see the volume sign on it, and then here is where you can change the tones. It has several ringing tones which you can change. So now that we've inserted the batteries, I'm going to press it so that I hear it sound. So this is how it's going to sound, and you can change the tune. So here, let me change it. Change it again. So as you can see, the installation is very simple. It's wireless, so you don't need any wire. You just have to place this at the door and place this one inside the room. So by pressing this, you hear it inside your room.